At COIT, we're equipped to properly take care of all types of Oriental and area rugs, and you don't have to worry about a thing. It's simple. COIT picks up your rug, professionally cleans it, and then delivers it right back to your home. We're experts when it comes to determining the cleaning methods best suited for your rug's particular weaves, fibers, and dyes. Our specially trained technicians use the most advanced processes to thoroughly clean your rugs and remove any dirt, stains, or odors. You can trust COIT for a guaranteed great-looking result. We have over 60 years of experience.